we have to remove symbols of grouping and simplify. So first we have to check what kind of parentheses we have here. We have parentheses, x plus y inside, and brackets. So first we have to do whatever we can do in the parentheses, because inside parentheses we have x plus y, different variables. We don't have like terms, so we have to rewrite whatever we have in parentheses. And before parentheses we have negative sign. So when we have negative sign before parentheses, we have to change the sign every term in the parentheses to opposite. So we start from the left side. -2, we have to rewrite. We have to open brackets, and like I said, because we cannot do anything inside parentheses, so we will take down the parentheses. Negative sign before parentheses, so we have to change sign every term inside parentheses. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, so because we have negative before parentheses, so now will be negative x, and we have positive y, so now will be negative y. Here is like invisible one. We have, in other words, we have to multiply every expression inside parentheses by -1. Negative times positive give me negative. I don't have to write 1. Negative times positive is negative, so everything is correct. Next we have to copy negative z. Close brackets, and we have plus 3a. This is equal. Now, because inside parentheses we have 3 different terms, we cannot do anything, so now we will take down the brackets. Before brackets we have -2 and multiplication. So we have to multiply every term in parentheses by -2. So negative times negative give me positive. And now 2 times x is 2x. Next we have negative times negative, so will be positive. 2 times y is 2y. And now we have negative again and negative, so will be positive. 2 times z is 2z. And we have to add 3a. Because we don't have here like terms, we can rewrite our solution, and we don't have to write a positive sign before first term. So we will have 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3a. This is my solution.